Welcome to my kitchen. If you are new to my channel, then go ahead and subscribe for more travel and food updates. Today I am going to prepare another Tripuri recipe from Northeast India called Tohan Mosdeng, which is a simple chicken side dish prepared with minimal ingredients. This chicken salad recipe can be prepared either by grilling the chicken or by boiling it. Traditionally, the chicken is fire grilled. However, since I do not have the provisions, I am going to grill it in an OTG. The ingredients required for this delicious chicken salad are chicken, sliced onions, ginger, fresh chilies, salt, and coriander leaves. Now let's start cooking. First of all, take the chicken pieces and marinate it with salt for 10 minutes. Then you put it in the skewers. And grill it for 40 minutes at 200 degrees centigrade. Once the chicken is done, tear it into small bite-sized pieces in a large bowl and keep aside. Now take a flat pan, prick the green chilies and roast it. This should take about 2 minutes. Take a mortar, put the roasted green chilies and ginger, pound it into a rough paste and add this into the bowl. Finally, add the sliced onions, salt as per taste, and our freshly chopped coriander leaves. Mix them well and our delicious Tohan Mosdeng is ready to be served. This easy traditional chicken recipe is not just delicious but perfect and healthy, and it goes really well with sticky rice or as is. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and do leave your comments. Until then, see you in the next video.